Now let's go to 2 News reporter Kirsten Reedford. She's in Live Drive 2 seeing those roads firsthand. Kirsten, how are those roads feeling right now?
Sartaj, these roads are definitely clearer than they were yesterday. Let's give you a live look outside. As you can see, we're on I-75 going northbound right now, and it's a lot clearer, but as you might know, those residential areas and those back roads are actually covered in snow. As we're seeing melted snow turn to ice, it's important to drive carefully if you need to leave your home. When driving in the aftermath of last night's storm, AAA says you should entirely clear off your car before leaving. That's to avoid snow and ice that built up on your car from blowing off and hitting somebody else's vehicle, and also to avoid the elements from damaging your own car. AAA says you should use a brush with an ice scraper on it to clear off your car. Definitely do not follow any of those trending videos that tell you to pour hot water on your windshield. Doing that could actually cause your windshield to crack or break entirely. And when traveling tonight and tomorrow, make sure to give yourself more time than you think you need, especially because these freezing temperatures will freeze over anything that melted today.
As those temperatures start to go down, anything that is wet is going to freeze solid unless it's on a treated roadway. So something that could be wet a few minutes ago may be ice in another hour or two.
On these roads, we're going to keep seeing plows throughout the night, so just make sure that you're giving yourself some distance between the plow and yourself, and also between any other vehicles that are out on the road. Coming up at 10, we'll give you another live look at the roads. Reporting in Live Drive 2, Kirsten Reedford, 2 News.